Hey everybody, hey, it's Rick. Rick Sells Tools on YouTube and Rick Sells Tools on eBay. Here comes a very special tool haul. This one's pretty cool because you don't get to see 6-point Craftsman wrenches every day, especially this quality and metric. So here we go with this one. This is pretty much how they were packed. It was under the paper, but you get the idea. It was a fairly good packing job this time. Okay, the very first wrench is not a 6-point, but all of the ones after are. So here's a 9/16 Craftsman. And that's an E40607. I'm gonna say this is probably not made in America. E40607, still a nice looking wrench. Okay, let's get to the 6-pointers. First one here, 15 millimeter 6-point. This is it's a VA 42870, 13 millimeter VA 42870. Not sure this one's ever been used, maybe once. Here's a 15 millimeter. This is in no particular order regarding size. I'll put them in size order at the end. That's a 15 millimeter. That is a VA 42872, VA 42872. Next one is a 16 millimeter 42873, so it's a VA 42873, all 6-point. $14 millimeter VA 42871, VA 42871, 14 millimeter. Again, everything I have will be, this one's already on eBay. If I remember, I'll put a screenshot of it now, and I'll put the link to the actual listing in the description of this video on YouTube. 12 millimeter. VA 42869, VA 42869. $11 millimeter VA 42868, 42868. I'm going to say most of these wrenches have never been used. $9 millimeter 42866, 42866. Yes, I do have the 10 millimeter. VA 42867, VA 42867. Last one, 8 millimeter 42865, VA 42865. Really nice. So just to recap, 9/16 That's a 12 point. And then here we have 42873, 16 millimeter, 42872, 15 millimeter, 42871, 14 millimeter, 42870, 13 millimeter, 42869, 12 millimeter, 42868, 11 millimeter, 42867, 10 millimeter, 42866, 9 millimeter, 42865, 8 millimeter. I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 or 6 of these have ever been used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 piece metric 6-point Craftsman set on eBay right now. Rick Sells Tools. Like and subscribe. Lots more videos coming. See you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.